Hello, my name is Ilia Delio, and I want to talk to you a little bit about my recent paper on AI and the question of God in evolution. I have been really fascinated by the question of artificial intelligence for quite some time and its theological significance. I begin the paper by saying that technology is not something extraneous to us. It's not an outside force. It's not a tool. It's actually, in my view, part and parcel of biological evolution. Evolution has always been technological. It continues to develop tools and means of artifices to optimize life. And artificial intelligence, in a sense, extends the technological aspect of evolution, but now on the level of mind. And so we find that we are on a new level of global consciousness. We have a much more interconnected world where consciousness has, in a sense, complexified with AI. The very principles, the principles of physics that give rise to AI, also invite, from a theological perspective, a new understanding of God. I think we are, in a sense, moving from the understanding of God as being or substance to an understanding of God as relationship. Here I take the position of Teilhard de Chardin, a process thinker, and I look at the way he relocated God as that center of love and wholeness that is emerging in evolution. In his view, God and matter are, in a sense, united to the point where matter is the place of the absolute. So he sees God as entwined or entangled in evolution and therefore rising with the development of consciousness. I explore these ideas in terms of Jack Caputo's philosophy of weak theology and a little bit of Schelling's theogenesis, because these ideas are very consonant with our understanding of nature today and therefore invite us to relocate the question of God within an evolving framework. With regard to evolution and AI, I do, indicate that AI has the capacity to move us to a whole new level of, in a sense, a realization of God as that wholeness, as that greater centeredness, that which binds us into a new unity of love. But certainly AI cannot do that on its own. It does require from the human other dimensions of life, including a sense of depth, a sense of individuation, to use a Jungian term. There must be, in a sense, a recognition of the God within in order to become more conscious of the God without. So I explore these ideas in this paper, and I hope you will read it, and I look forward to your comments and any kind of discussion that can ensue. Thank you.